Hi, welcome to Patio Productions. Today we're looking at one of those debates where everyone seems to have an opinion: synthetic turf versus natural grass. Which is better? Natural grass has been nature's solution for, well, forever. It's fantastic for the environment, creates a natural cooling effect, and nothing beats that real grass feel under your feet. Plus, it's generally easier on the wallet up front, but natural grass does need a lot of upkeep. We're talking regular mowing, watering, sometimes up to 1,000 gallons a week during growing season, and dealing with those pesky weeds. Then you have synthetic turf. And it's come a long way from that scratchy plastic stuff we used to hate. Modern artificial grass stays picture-perfect year-round and requires minimal maintenance. It's perfect for high-traffic areas, requires way less water, and it can last up to 12 years with proper care. The downside? It costs about 40% more upfront than natural grass, and it can get pretty toasty in direct sunlight. So which should you choose? It really depends on your specific needs. For sports facilities, synthetic is better for durability and maintenance costs. It also generally leads to faster-paced play, which often leads to more athlete injuries. For homes, consider your local climate and intended maintenance goals. Healthy natural grass looks and feels great, and is healthier for your local ecosystem, but uses a ton of regular watering, unlike artificial grass, which often surprises people with its natural look and feel. And other than high upfront cost, you'll spend very little keeping it looking its best. Businesses also face some tough grass questions. Will your grass be constantly walked on? Artificial may be best. Is premium beauty and authenticity important? Natural could be better. Or, like many businesses, you could pick both, using different grasses for different areas. Want all the nitty-gritty details? Check out the link to our comprehensive guide in the description below. And while you're planning your perfect outdoor space, visit patioproductions.com to explore our collection of luxury outdoor furniture that'll complement either grass choice beautifully. Thanks for watching, and go have a beautiful day.